Hello, it's John again, and thank you for watching. This is a property for sale in Kovachevets. It doesn't look very nice, but it's got lots and lots of soap, and it's cheap. Hand you over to Yoana now.
Hello, good day. I am in Kovachevets today. We have a lovely sunny day in the autumn time, and I like to show you today this little cottage for sale, if you can call. It's nice with a barns, little garden, and lovely place outside of the main road to the village with tight. I'm gonna show you inside. You have a brand new road built on a side. Nice, quiet, big barn, perfect for warehouse, and small, tidy garden. Come, I show you. I'm going to show you the property inside. You can see the garden is 700 square meter together with the buildings on a plot. You got big barn, lots of joy buildings on the side, little barns for animals, and the house look nice and a little but need lots of work. You will see a lawn, lots of space for animal storages, but the property need lots of renovations. The roof has leak. You can see here still have a lovely cherry tomato, still green. Outside tap you have in a garden. I'm going to show you the nice barn. They're preparing the wood for the winter, and over here I'll point the camera to, you can see it's a big space for storage. Now going to show the joy building and the main house on the side, and you will see how many work need. I will start from the main house on the middle, where have a big basements downstairs from stones. Have a nice big beams, and it's large. All the main house under is on a big basement with nice thick wood. I'm going to the small annex on the side, where there are 3 rooms and a wet room. Most of the place over here been using only for storage. You have 3 rooms total, and old bathroom with a wooden boiler. You can see a lawn. Here have a lake, and I'll show you. Need lots of work. Another way is a nice sunny plot, south looking. It's a project for someone who like to buy a cheap property in Bulgaria and spend time in renovation. Now I'm going upstairs on the main house. They have a nice wide corridor and 3 rooms. But again, everything need a renovation. You can see it here. Have a leak on the roof. Over there is the hall for the attic space. It's nice white space. The roof need to be maintained. But again, it's cheap property. You can invest and do some work. On the main floor you have 3 rooms and a storage. This is the storage, and you can see over there again have a hole on the ceiling. It's need lots of work. And I'm going to show you the last annex on the side, where they are using for a kitchen and bedroom. I'm going to show the little annex on the side, where they're using for a kitchen and a bedroom. It's nice and sunny, very warm. It's very big. The wood burner is here too. They create a nice soup over here from a chicken, spinach. And here is a little sink with 2 bedrooms, 2 beds. Sorry. Yeah. That is for me for today from village Kovachevets. If you have interest, come and take a look.